Got a Carrier Weathermaker 1 I have to work on. The unit's actually iced up right now. It is not working. It is dead, but we have ice inside. Probably a broken belt, so I'm going to check it out. Here's the problem. The belt has seen better days. The motor is running. The unit's on lockout. I gotta go get another belt. We'll get this thing back. In motion. Back together again. Got the new belt on. 4L44 in stock and available. The good news is it's running, it has a new belt. The bad news is I gotta go shut it down because it's so iced up. Bummer. Bummer. Okay, it's working. I'm gonna go down now, give them the bad news. I gotta shut it down. I just didn't tell them to shut it down. The rest of the day is pretty. Okay, we got a York unit. Look at this pile. Here's the return. Nice roofing job. What a pile. Here's the metal work on the supply. Love this. Beautiful, beautiful. Here's the filter access on the supply. Oh my God, stuff like this. I just want to cry. Nice canvas connector for vibration. Yeah. What a pile.